Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Arifa's English Academy. Friends, today let's learn more about prepositions. First of all, we need to know what this preposition is, right? So let's have a look here. Preposition is nothing but the words which are used before or which are used to tell something about the position of things, right? For example, the book is on the table, right? Where the book is here? It's on the table, the word on. Without this one, you just read out the sentence how it sounds here. The book is the table. Is it giving any proper meaning? No, guys. The same way, the car belongs to Arifa. This car belongs Arifa. Is it giving any meaning? No, guys. She played a lot the beach. What is this? Is she playing with the beach? No, guys. These words give a lot of meaning and it makes a proper sense and tells about the position of things. So that is called as preposition. Let's have a look on each and every kind of preposition here. How do we use in and on? So coming to the first one, in. When do we use this in? The word preposition in is used here for centuries when we are talking about centuries. For example, the dress which I am wearing belongs to the same trend which used to happen in 18th or 19th century, right? It is used in the 19th century. The word 19th or 18th. When you are talking about the centuries, the words in is used here. Coming to the next one, decades. Decade is nothing but for every 10 years we call it as a decade. So in 70s, in 80s, that is called as 90s. All these will come under in. Coming to the next one, years. In 2019, my birthday was celebrated very grandly in 2020. Okay? In. Coming to the next one, months or weeks. We use the word in, for example, in the month of January, or in the month of May, or when you're talking about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, or the weeks. Coming to the next one, seasons or holidays. It's nothing but in rainy season. In summer season, we have enjoyed a lot. In Christmas holidays. Parts of the day. For example, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Okay? We are not saying on the morning, on the afternoon, on evening. No, guys. We have to say in morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Let's talk about the preposition on here. On is used when you're talking about time. For example, the weekend. On the weekend, we have planned a vacation. On this weekend or on the next weekend. The days. When you're talking about the days. Weekdays. For example, on Sunday morning, on Monday, on Tuesday. Next, coming to the dates. On 4th November, on 3rd January, or on 26th January. When you're talking about the dates of specific things, specific days also. When you're talking about your birthday, on my birthday, I have worn a beautiful dress. Okay? For example, next day and also the parts of the day. On Sunday morning. It is not that on morning or on Sunday. It is on Sunday morning when you're talking about day as well as the parts of the day. So these are the few things which you have to remember when you're using in and on as prepositions. So that's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Please subscribe, share, comment and like. Thank you everyone.